We've been taught that death is a hard-coded command in the DNA of every living thing, an unshakable law of physics. But in the deep reaches of the Mediterranean, one organism found the command prompt to delete that code. This is Turritopsis dohrnii. To the casual observer, it's a 4 millimeter speck of jelly. To science, it is a biological anomaly that violates the fundamental rules of time. Today, we are decoding the mechanics of the only creature on Earth that can cheat the grave, not once, but infinite. To understand the biological reset, we have to look at the jellyfish life cycle as a loop, not a line. Most jellyfish follow a standard path. They begin as drifting larvae, settle into stationary polyps, and eventually bloom into the bell-shaped Medusae we recognize. For every other species, the Medusa stage is the final act. They spawn, they age, and they die. But when Turritopsis dohrnii faces a crisis, be it starvation, physical injury, or simple old age, it doesn't die. It executes a command known as transdifferentiation. The cellular alchemist. In your body, a skin cell is a skin cell. Your cellular identity is locked. But Turritopsis is a cellular alchemist. During its reset, it reabsorbs its own tentacles and shrinks into a gelatinous cyst. It is the biological equivalent of taking a finished skyscraper, deconstructing it back into raw bricks, and using those same bricks to build a brand new foundation. The silent conqueror. This ability has turned a 4 millimeter organism into the ultimate hitchhiker. Because they effectively cannot die of old age, they survive journeys in the ballast water of cargo ships that would kill any other creature. But don't mistake immortality for invincibility. While they can bypass the internal clock of aging, they are still soft tissue. They can be eaten. They can succumb to disease. The reset is a gamble, a vulnerable state that takes time to complete. This tiny Medusa is now the holy grail for regenerative medicine. By studying the genetic triggers of the reset, we are looking for the keys to human longevity, searching for a way to tell our own cells to reboot in the face of decay. We used to think death was a fundamental law of biology. Turritopsis dohrnii proved it's just a technicality. If you want to see more of nature's most impossible mechanisms, subscribe to Vitreos. Which biological hack should we decode next? Tell us in the comments. Until then, keep looking closer.